Hello everyone, I am Professor Dr. Shantanu Khatri and I am an orthodontist. As you all know that we are going through a pandemic situation of COVID-19, and during this period of time, many of the dental clinics, rather all of the dental clinics are closed, and only dental clinics which are taking care of emergency patients with utmost precautions are going through. So during this time, everyone has to take care about his not only general health but about dental health itself. So any kind of dental problems like tooth pain, if your any crown which was been placed by your dentist few months back has come out, any bleeding problem, any TMJ pain is going on. So before taking any kind of medications, call your dentist, because during this period most of the dentists are online or on the telephone taking care about their patients. So consult your dentist and take the prescribed medication which has been told by your dentist. Don't take any kind of medicine which is present at home for your treatment, and try to ask the dentist, or the dentist will himself let you know how to rectify the problem itself at your home. Try to make sure that you make use of that remedy at home so that you may are free with that dental problem. So I am being an orthodontist, so I'll advise my orthodontic patients or anyone who is going through orthodontic treatment, if any of your braces are broken or wire is poking, so take care about it. Call your orthodontist, because orthodontist is the best person to tell you or guide you on telephone what you all can do to prevent the problem or to rectify the problem at home itself. So beforehand, you should try not to eat very hard stuff, especially the orthodontic patients, like nuts, chocolates, toffees, so that your braces are not broken and you land up into some problem. Moreover, if there is an emergency that anyhow the dental problem cannot be rectified at home, you need to go to the dentist. So there are certain things which you have to take care before going to the dental clinic. Take an appointment at the time when there is no patient in the clinic and you are going all alone. Make sure that if you are an adult, you go alone to the clinic so that there is no rush into the clinic. If you are a child, obviously take someone along with that child, and make sure that there is no rush into the dental clinic. Before going to the dental clinic, tell your medical history to the doctor about your travel history, any cough, cold, fever, so that the dentist can take the utmost precaution which is prescribed by Government of India before taking care about your dental problem. So when you reach to the dental clinic, make sure that you don't touch anything into the dental clinic so that there is no contamination. Wash your hands, and the dentist will give you some medicated mouthwash. Rinse it and do all the precautionary measures which has been advised by your dentist. Then get your treatment done and try to avoid certain things so that you are free from any kind of dental problems, and take an advice from the dentist till the lockdown period is over. So that is all I'll like to say about the dental problems. You have to take care about your health, and not only the general health but also your dental health itself. So stay safe, stay at home and be healthy. Thank you.